Hi, welcome to Hootsuite. This is our story.
It all started in 2008.
From humble beginnings.
But things picked up pretty fast.
With thousands of users joining every day.
We made some early partnerships with the social networks that mattered most to our customers.
Not long after, the White House started using our products.
That was pretty cool.
Along with a million other people.
So many, we had to launch Hootsuite University to help all our users grow their social expertise.
1 million users became 2.
And 2 became 5.
We took a trip down to South by Southwest on the Hoot Bus.
And across the pond to open an office in London and Singapore.
Our team had grown to over 300 employees, serving 8 million customers, with new initiatives launching all the time.
Soon enough, 75% of the Fortune 500 were using our product.
That's about the time we decided Owly needed a makeover.
2015 came around faster than you could say 2 million app directory downloads.
We launched Amplify and hit 1,000 employees.
With new nests popping up all around the globe.
We integrated video to help our customers share their stories with the world.
All 15 million of them.
Our second Canadian office opened up in the Big Six,
also known as Toronto. Forrester recognized us as a leader in our field,
cementing our status as an enterprise solution.
We brought some new friends on board from Ad Espresso to help people with social advertising.
And partnered with Adobe.
Instagram scheduling became a thing.
Boost had a successful launch.
And Forbes named us among their Cloud 100 for the second year in a row.
10 years can fly by when you're having fun.
So thank you.
To everyone who's joined us on the journey so far.
We can't wait to show you what comes next.